This is question number 6, and this is question paper 2024. A program is required to process data about cows. The data is stored in a comma-separated value text file named cows.txt. The column name in the data file are name, breed, and tag number. Okay, write a program to meet the requirements. Create a key for each cow in the data. A valid key single string consists of first 2 letters of the breed name, then tag number divided by this, then first 2 letters of the cow name. We will see later. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open the file that you want to read and want to show into the computer screen. Okay, first one is the name, second one is the breed, and third one is the tag number. Okay, I want to read the data from this file, that is cow file. Okay, this is the file. Okay, cows file. I will open this file, read the data, and then I will generate the key. Okay, and here I will write a code. What I will do, first of all, I want to open a file. Okay, write code here. I'm going to open file equal to open file name is cows.txt. Must write txt. If you will not write txt, it will not work. Or I'm going to open this file in read mode. Okay, this is table is there that will display the values in the p table. Okay, they will print all the indexes. Here I will write the main program. What I will do, I'm writing for line in file. Okay, then data equal to line dot strip. The purpose of this function is to remove extra lines, because as you know that at the last /n we have used /n is used to new lines. I want to remove that one /n, and then it should be split or separate through using this comma. This is the pattern. Comma is used to separate one field from another field. Okay, everywhere. When you will find the comma, then you can make it separate. Okay, now your field will stored into data list. Okay, you will use here name equal to data of 0, and then breed will get the value from data of 1. Okay, then same way, control C, control V, third one is the tag. Okay, tag will get the value from second column. 0 index, then 1 index, then second index. Okay, 0 index, this will store on 0 index all the column. This will store on first index, and this will second index. That's why I have written 0 will store into name, 1 will store into breed, and 2 will store into the tag. After this, now I'm going to generate a key. I'm going to generate a key. How I need to generate the key? Key equal to, okay, I need to read this. First 2 letters of the breed. First 2 letters of the breed, it means you will write breed, get value from 0 to 1. 2 is not included. Plus, if I will not mention, by default is 0. If you want to mention, it's okay. Then you can combine. Next one is the tag number is integer divided by 100. Because of integer, what I will do, I will need to convert into string because for the concatenation, tag divided by 100. Okay, first they will get the value tag divided by 100 and get the integral value plus, what's the third value? First two letters from the co-name. Co-name. First two letters name equal to name, and how many letters? Two. Means 0 and 1. Okay, it will become a key. Now I will make a record. I need a record like this way. Record equal to, first what order they are mentioned? First key, tag number, name, and a breed. I will put it as it is. First key, I'm writing key. Second one is tag. Third one is the name, and fourth one is the breed. Okay, and this table need to be appended. CowTable. They are using which table? They are using this CowTable. By default is empty. CowTable dot append this record. And once this loop will finish, then I'm going to close the file. File dot close the file, and then showTable. I'm calling a method name showTable. Okay, with p table. Okay, I'm passing this code table as a argument. Okay, when I will run the program. Okay, they are telling me str object has no attribute strip. It should be strip, strip, strip. Okay, run it again. Okay, they are unsported this. Okay, what I will do first, I need to convert first integer. Will get the value. Once they will get the value, need to convert back it again into string. Run it. Okay. Unsported key append this one str and int. If it's not working here, you can remove from here, or you can use integer here also. Integer of data too. Okay. Now you can run this. Check any error is there. No. See. First you are getting this. That is the, I think, breed. Third parameter. What was the third parameter? Third name and then breed. This is breed. Okay. This is they're getting hi from here. CHI, and then 25 because divided by 100. Then you will get 25 and then two letter of the name. This is key is generation. Okay. I have generated key for all the records. Okay. This is the code. This is the code. Clear?